Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare photo frames in cardboard. All you need to do here is take a cardboard and measure it as per your requirement, cut out the pieces and how many frames would you like to make a cutout of it. Now here I am creating 3 equal sized frames. Now you can cut out this cardboard with the help of a radium cutter or a pair of scissors. So now once you are done with the cutout of the cardboard, we are going to wrap it up with paper pack. So here I am using my favorite paper pack. This has very beautiful collection. Now I am going to take 2 different kinds of papers. The next step is wrap this paper pack on the cardboard which we have made a cutout of. Here you can use any sort of glues. You can even use Fevicol or you can even go for hot glue gun. Once you are done pasting, separate both the cardboards and now we are going to bind it up. As you can see, our cardboards are ready. Now we are going to do with the other ones. So here you can see all the 3 cardboards are ready. And now next I'm going to use my another paper pack and I'll be tearing off 2 other different prints. On these printed sheets, I am going to write 3 of the different letters. So for that, firstly I'll be marking the frame and taking a measurement as per how much big will be the size. As we are done with the measurement, now we are going to mark the same measurement on the printed sheet and write the letters. So here my cutouts are ready. Now I'm going to quickly paste it on the cardboards. The cardboards are ready with the words. Now for the letter A, I'm going to give a little sort of black border. Nextly, for a little more detailing, I'm going to add some tags. So here you can see my collection of tags. I'm going to pick out some different and beautiful tags from this and paste it on these 3 letters. As you can see, I have selected few random pictures. I'm going to paste it quickly on the words. With this, our frames are ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.